तुमसे क्या कहूँ, तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ। कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ, किसी ज़ुबान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूँ। मैं अगर कहूँ तुम सा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today we are doing the tutorial for the most iconic song. The song is Main Agar Kahun from the movie Om Shanti Om. The song has been beautifully sung in the voice of Sonu Nigam and Shreya Ghoshal. Also, I am including the intro tabs for this song and then we will play the chords. So as always, मैं आपको girls and boys दोनों के scale पे chords बताऊंगी. But before getting into the tutorial, I would like to mention regarding our live guitar classes. If you are a music enthusiast and you are looking forward to learn guitar, then you can join our live guitar classes. You may contact us on the WhatsApp number given on your screens, or you may sign up on our website, which is www.priyadhingra.com. Now without any further ado, let us begin with today's tutorial. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also, so that you can get all the notifications and updates for the upcoming tutorials. Let's start now. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि गर्ल्स का स्केल क्या होगा. गर्ल्स will place the capo on the first fret and you will play the chords E minor, D major, A minor, B major, G major. This is G major in open position and this is G major in bar. तो क्या chords हो गए? E minor, D major, A minor, B major and G major. Now the scale for boys. Boys will place the capo on the 4th fret and you will play the chords A minor, G major, D minor, E major and C major. Let's compare these chords with my scale. जहाँ पर मैं E minor play करूँगी with the capo on the 1st fret. There boys will play A minor with the capo on the 4th fret. जहाँ पर मैं D major play करूँगी, there you will play G major. जहाँ पर मैं A minor play करूँगी, there boys will play D minor. जहाँ पर मैं B major play करूँगी, there you will play E major. And in place of G major chord, you will play C major. If you don't know how to use a capo, then also you can play the same chords without using a capo. Now the strumming pattern for the song is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ. So this is how you can play the rhythm. I have also played some intro tabs using the first 4 strings, starting from the first string 8th fret. So this is how you can play the intro tabs. The tabs are displayed on your screen. You can try and let me know if you have any doubts. Let's move on to the song now. तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ. तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ. किसी ज़ुबान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूं. मैं अगर कहूँ तुम सा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ। तुम हुए मेहरबान तो है ये दास्तां। तुम हुए मेहरबान तो है ये दास्तां। अब तुम्हारा मेरा एक है कारवां, तुम जहां मैं वहां। मैं अगर कहूँ हम सफर मेरे, अप्सरा हो तुम या कोई परे, तारीफ भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। किसी जुबां में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूँ। मैं अगर कहूँ तुम साहसी, कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। I hope you liked today's tutorial. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. Also, let me know your favorite songs in the comment section below. I will definitely do the tutorial. You can post your short covers and short videos on our Facebook community page, which is Priya Dhingra Guitar Courses, or on my Instagram handle, which is dhingraji. If you do so on Instagram, then don't forget to tag me. The links are mentioned below. You may check out. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. I shall see you soon in the next tutorial. You all take care. Bye. तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। किसी जुबां में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही